you can go ahead and remove this intake pipe.
Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for removing the throttle body and cleaning it on my 2015 F-150 with the 5.0 liter V8. I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. After unbolting the 4 bolts holding the throttle body in place, unplug the electrical connection by sliding the red clip up and depressing the tab to release.
Got our throttle body off, clip off. All right, so I'm cleaning up my throttle body. I'm gonna use some CRC, it's just really dirty. And you should just be able to spray it down here. Clean this off. You wanna make sure this is disconnected from the vehicle when you do this. Strong. Looks a lot better than it did. Still a little bit in the corners, but what can you do? But just a little bit on that top edge. Just a little lift. Let this sit. Make sure to press that red tab. I'm just going to set it on here.
Double check and make sure you remove the paper towel from the intake manifold before reinstalling the throttle body. This is very important.
I'm posting weekly videos on my 2015 F-150, my 1979 Ford Bronco. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow along. As always, I've included links to all the products and tools I use today in the description below. So make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.